Okay, today we're going to cover in our training account how to create story highlights on Instagram. And highlights are these branded elements right here in the middle. And they don't actually need to be branded. You could have just an image up there if you wanted. We like it a little bit more organized into categories or themes. And what highlights do is they allow you to save your story from Instagram for longer than a 24-hour period. And you'll see this on a lot of different Instagram sites. And we're going to show you how to create these story highlights. So the first thing is you have to have a story. So if you don't have a story, go up to the plus sign and then you'll create your story. And it's pretty easy to create a story. Let's just pick one. We're going to pick one from just a static image that we have from the beach. We could have made it a video. We'll add a little bit of text. We'll make the text just say heaven is at the beach. And we say done. And then we save that to your story. And now if we want to see that story, we can go here to the lower left, the home. And we're going to select the home, and up here in the upper left, see where it says your story? We're going to go to your story. And this is the story we just created. And do you see where it says highlight? It went too fast. Where it says highlight, we're actually going to select highlight, and we can add it to our highlights. We could add it to any one of these. It would be appropriate for the one called beaches. Or if we go further to the right, we could add a new highlight. So for the sake of instruction, we're going to select new. And we're going to call this highlight travel beach. Travel beaches. And we're going to say add. And now you will see if you go back to our profile, you will now see on our main page travel beaches. Now say that you don't want this image to be the image highlighting here, that you want something a little bit more branded like these others that we've got. So you select travel beaches, or you select the highlight that you want to work with. Click on the three dots in the lower right. Select edit highlight near the top. We're going to, you could change the title if you wanted. Here we're going to edit cover. And do you see on the lower part where it's got the picture of the image, but it also has a picture of the gallery for my phone. So let's say I want to pick a different picture. And I'm going to pick a picture from a while ago. And let's say we pick this picture of boats. And then we're going to say, okay, that is now the picture that we've got on our highlight. We're going to say done. And then we will say done again. As you can see, I now have two boats. Ideally, I would have had a different picture, but we've now got travel beaches, bridges, boats, birds, and that's how you create a highlight.